Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple phone charger, often overlooked, into a powerful, versatile TV antenna. I'm going to carefully pry open its casing using a small screwdriver. This helps me access the internal components without damaging the outer shell too much. Now that the casing is open, I'm using a pair of pliers to carefully extract the circuit board. It's important to be gentle here to avoid damaging any of the delicate components. This circuit board will be the heart of our new device. Next, I'm placing the circuit board on a small wooden block to keep it steady. I'm now applying a small amount of solder to each of the exposed contacts on the circuit board. This prepares them for connecting our wires. I'm taking two thin wires and carefully soldering them to specific contact points on the board. These connections are vital as they will allow me to connect our new antenna elements to the charger's internal electronics. Precision here ensures a good electrical connection. With the wires soldered, I'm now turning my attention back to the charger casing. I'm using a drill to make two precise holes on the side where the USB port usually is. These holes will serve as mounting points for the antenna rods, allowing them to extend cleanly from the device. For the main antenna elements, I'm using two ordinary screws. I used pliers to strip the insulation off the ends of the wires in preparation for the next connection. I'm attaching the soldered wires from the circuit board to the straightened screws by wrapping them tightly. This ensures a solid electrical connection for transmitting signals. Good contact here is paramount for performance. Then, I'll insert these modified screws through the drilled holes in the charger casing, securing them from the inside. This creates a stable anchor for our antenna elements. I'm tightening the screws and using pliers for extra security, ensuring they won't wobble. Now you can see the base of our antenna taking shape. It has the two prongs for power on one end and two sturdy, upright metal pins on the other, ready for our signal gathering elements. Next, I'm preparing a set of safety pins. I'm carefully opening and slightly bending them to create additional metallic elements. These smaller elements will help expand the antenna's surface area, which is crucial for capturing a wider range of television signals effectively. I'm adding a small nut onto one of the posts, followed by another safety pin, and twisting it to secure. I'm now attaching these modified safety pins to the main metal rods. I'm placing them strategically around the base and along the length of the rods, creating a star-like pattern. I'll secure them firmly with small nuts and bends, ensuring a strong multi-directional antenna structure. I'm repeating the process with these safety pins, attaching it to the other charger pin. This gives us two vertical antenna elements for improved reception. I'm continuing to add more safety pins, twisting each one to securely form a fan-like structure around the top of the post. The goal is to create a multi-directional receiving surface to capture signals from various angles. This symmetrical design is important for uniform signal capture. To give our antenna stability, I'm attaching the modified charger to a small wooden block. This provides a sturdy base, preventing the antenna from tipping over during use. Now for the connections. I'm taking a USB cable and carefully cutting and stripping one end, exposing the inner wires. This USB end will plug into our TV, providing power to the circuit board within the charger, which is essential for its operation. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I used pliers to strip the insulation off the small wires inside. Then I twisted them into two wires in preparation for connection. Here, I'm taking a coaxial cable, stripping its end to expose the inner conductor and shielding. This will be our main output cable to the TV. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then, I'm twisting the exposed wires from the USB cable together with selected wires from the first additional cable. I'm using pliers to twist and tighten all the wire connections, ensuring they are secure and provide the best possible signal transfer. This also helps with the antenna's overall durability. It's crucial to insulate all exposed wire connections with electrical tape to prevent short circuits and ensure safety. I'm meticulously wrapping each joint. Once the wires are securely twisted, I'm wrapping the entire connection point with electrical tape. This is super important for both safety and insulation, preventing any accidental short circuits and ensuring the integrity of our electrical connections. On the other end of the coaxial cable, I'm stripping it in the same manner. This time, I'm attaching an F connector, which is the standard connector for TV antennas and coaxial cables. After that, I'm adding a right-angle F connector adapter to ensure a neat and secure connection to the TV without excessive bending of the cable. Now, let's take a final look at our completed DIY antenna. It's compact, securely built, and ready to be put to the test. Initially, the screen shows no signal. This is common, but don't worry. I'm plugging our homemade antenna into the TV's antenna port. Look at that. The screen immediately comes to life with a clear, stable picture. Our homemade antenna is working perfectly, delivering a strong signal to the TV. I'm effortlessly switching between different channels, and each one comes through crystal clear. No more fuzzy screens or missing broadcasts. This homemade antenna is really delivering fantastic reception, all from a repurposed phone charger. Just look at the clear picture quality. It's fantastic to see it working so effectively, picking up all these channels. To really show you the difference, I'll disconnect the antenna. See, no signal immediately returns. But once I reconnect it, bam! Instant channels. It's working exactly as intended. The reception is consistently strong across multiple channels, which is exactly what we wanted. With just a few common household items and some clever modifications, we've created something incredibly useful. It's performing just as well, if not better, than store-bought antennas. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, You can achieve amazing things and save money too. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.